Hello, everyone. I wanted to do a quick Extra Life update coming out of Tabletop Appreciation Weekend. First off, I'm still a little overwhelmed by the amount of generosity and support that we received. Um, we did our Power Rangers D&D session, and we managed to raise about $600 for that campaign alone, which is absolutely amazing. Once again, I want to thank Josh for being a perfect GM and giving us a really interesting narrative to run through, as well as Keith, Jamie, and Sean for helping me provide interesting characters that I hope are enjoyable to watch. We had a lot of people who made donations ahead of time, as well as tons of people who joined us on stream to watch, and I can't thank you all enough for your support in this. That's brought my year-to-date total for Sick Kids to just over $1,100. So the next question is, what's next? Well, my birthday was also that weekend, and beside me you'll see that I have the airship for Super Mario Lego. As you know, I've done many Lego building streams, and that will be coming up this Sunday, where I'll start at about 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will build it as long as it takes to build. I know my nephew enjoys watching those. I know there are some people who enjoy watching them after I've done them, so look forward to that. While I was on the stream, I had some incentives where I would offer to do some singing of Power Rangers theme songs with the Green Ranger helmet I have up on my shelf. Two people took me up on that offer, so you can expect to see me doing a couple of YouTube videos in the future where I'll be singing a couple of the Power Rangers theme songs. It's a $10 incentive donation. If you want to see me do more of them, there are plenty of theme songs out there for me to sing, and I'm happy to do more of them in the future. In addition, we also hit 2 milestone incentives. The first was for getting to $750 overall, and that will have Josh coming back with me, where at some point in the future, we will be doing a stream where we will be ranking all of the Power Rangers seasons. Now, this won't just be us doing a list and putting them in order. We're going to be talking about everything good and bad about the seasons. Power Rangers is a passion for both of us, and we're going to enjoy just talking about everything that made a season good or bad, and then putting them in a ranking order, so you can expect to see that at some point in the near future. Additionally, after I got to the $1,000 milestone overall, I am now committed to doing a 24-hour stream on the November 6th game day, which is the next and last major Extra Life event for the year. I haven't made any decisions about what I'll be playing, but you can expect that it will be 24 hours of fun, and if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear them below in the comments. Generally speaking, I have a PlayStation 5, a Nintendo Switch, and I play a few PC games, so if you have any ideas within that realm, I'm more than happy to listen to them. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again in the future. Bye!